Alright, here's our solution for our lucky dog problem. You're going to need to find two things. You're going to need to find out how long it takes Tim to stop and the distance that he travels in that time in order for us to figure out whether or not Tim hits the dog. So the first thing we're going to do is convert our kilometers per hour to meters per second, put all our units in the same form, and that will give us Tim's velocity of 8.33 meters per second. We're going to find time first by rearranging this equation. So when we rearrange this equation to solve for time, time is going to be equal to 0 minus 8.33 meters per second divided by our acceleration, which was negative 4.75 meters per second squared. That's going to give us an answer of 1.75 seconds for Tim to stop. That's after he hits his brakes. Second thing we need to figure out is how far the bike is going to go. So we use D equals VT first to figure out how far he traveled prior to hitting his brakes. So that's 8.33 meters per second times 0.75 seconds. He travels 6.25 meters before he hits the brakes. And with this additional information, we can now find how far he travels. Plug in what we know. He travels 6.25 meters prior to hitting his brakes. Velocity 8.33 meters per second for 1.75 seconds, plus 1/2 negative 4.75 times 1.75 seconds squared. Answer: bike is going to travel 13.6 meters and